Hello, lovely PLS. So, for our afternoon learning during our PLS meetings this year, during that afternoon time slot, we have a couple of options for you. We have either book study options or PLS cohort options. And what we wanted to do is walk you through those, or at least our general ideas of what some possible topics for those might be, to see what you might be interested in. Maybe you have some other ideas or better ideas. We'll be getting your feedback at the first PLS meeting on this. So we wanted to give you this in advance so that you can tell us all of your thoughts. So first up, we have book study options. Our book study options that we have thought of so far are Leverage Leadership by Paul Bamberg Centoyo. And this book is really about advice and tools just for successful leadership in your school building. We also have Leading Student-Centered Coaching. And this book is by Diane Sweeney, and it's about implementing student-centered coaching in your building. Student-centered coaching revolves around data and standards, and using those as the basis for coaching work with teachers and or with teacher teams. We also have Dare to Lead by Brene Brown. This is also a leadership book, but this book really deals with just the courage of leadership, and also just how to kind of cultivate that culture of courageous leadership in your building. And then also we're going to do a book on teacher leadership and how to promote teacher leadership in your building. We just don't know the title of that one quite yet. For our cohort options that we've been thinking of, we have video coaching that would be continued from last year with Jeff. So this cohort will actually meet during PLS meetings, so it would not need to meet outside of the school day. And that will be, like I said, continued with Jeff, and it's all about teachers using video and being able to reflect on their skills by reflecting and watching video. We also have a Teams or PLC cohort that we're thinking about, dealing with everything that has to do with effective teaming in PLCs. Also a Coaching for Change cohort, all about the process of change and how to maneuver through it. And then finally, a Curriculum Instruction and Assessment cohort. And this would deal with more of those curriculum changes that your school might be going through this school year. So those are our options, and please come to the PLS meeting with any feedback that you have for us or any other ideas. Thank you.